each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me.
Good morning, everyone. I am going to be going down here to the garden this morning because I was in the garden yesterday and was doing some maintenance, and there's a lot of beautiful flowers, so I'm going to pick me a bouquet of flowers to take to my office this morning to just bring me some happiness, and then we're going to do our morning chores, feeding the goats and the chickens and ducks out for the day. And I want to just start bringing you guys along with me every day. Archway, so beautiful.
Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. Lonely wind is passing by.
You guys, look what has bloomed in the garden. These are what we're going to come out, and I'm going to pick some of these today. And then right over there is some zinnias. I'm also going to be picking to have me a beautiful flower bouquet.
It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes.
How beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous.
Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream.
Alright, you guys, we're going to go to the house, and I am going to go put these in some water, and then we are going to come back and let the animals out and do our morning chores. Aren't those so pretty? I grew those. So beautiful. I can't believe these came out of my garden. Alright, now we gotta go and feed the girls their breakfast and get them out. And then we gotta get fresh water for the chickens, ducks, geese, and goats. So this is every morning before I even get dressed for work.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest.
Alright, got the girls' bucket where I can clean it out and give them fresh water. And now we need to go and let the birds out.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could.
I know I look like a mess every morning doing my morning chores, but there's no need for me getting dressed for the day to come down here and mess with these animals, because I'll just be a mess and have to get ready for work again. Anyways, we're gonna let the chickens and ducks out now.
Convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself.
Well, now we gotta go let the meanies out. This is an every morning chore. I start about 6:30 and I'm probably done about 7:15, so it takes about 45 minutes for me to let everybody out, give them food, water, get them pinned back up. So let's get these meanies out.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my heart.
I don't think that they like the camera.
This time, girl, I know what's bothering me.
They may be meanies, but they're little sissies too. Hello.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air.
Alright, everybody is taken care of down this way, but we have a new animal on the homestead that somebody gave me a couple of weeks ago, and I haven't been able to bring you guys along and show you because it's been super crazy and super extremely hot. But I'm going to show you the house that I've been building, and then maybe you can guess what it is that we have. I have been building a chicken tractor, and it's not done because I've been waiting on the wire mesh to come in, but it should be in today, so hopefully I'll get to get this finished up. So the way that I've been doing my meat birds is not ideal. When they were given to me, I was not ready for them. I didn't know I was getting them, but one of my friends that actually raises meat birds, he raises 100 at a time, and the coons had come in and decimated his flock or his 100 group or whatever, and he only had 15 left, and it really wasn't enough for him to do anything with. So instead of just getting rid of them, he brought them to me because he knew I was wanting to get into meat birds. So what I ended up doing was putting them in a dog crate, a large one, and I put them on the porch every night because we have a lot of coons, and then I bring them out every day underneath the carport where they have a fan on them and they have protection from the sun and the rain and stuff. So that's what we gotta get doing today. It's always a big mess. It's a big mess underneath the carport. It's a big mess on the porch, but it's the best I can do until I get their chicken tractor done. Now it's time for me to go get ready for work. I got about 30-35 minutes before I got to be there. So I've already put a full day's worth of work in, and now I've got to actually go to my job. Oh yeah, did I mention I still got to feed the dogs? Alright, I've got my coffee, my water, and my beautiful flowers, and now I'm off to work. So I will see you guys this afternoon.
My hair look okay?
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you.
Alright you guys, I just got home from work. It's late. I had to run to Tractor Supply to go get the wire mesh for the chicken tractor, so that way we can work on that and get the chicken tractor done for the meat birds hopefully this week. And now we're down here doing the evening chores, and Corvin put the grody girls up for me, so now we're going to do the ducks and the chickens. Alright, now we're down here and we're going to go feed the chickens and put up the ducks and get our chores done for tonight.
All the time, looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do?
Well guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video today as I brought you along with me doing my morning and evening chores. And if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button and share with all your friends. And as always, thank you for watching. Until the next video, God bless.